Intake manifold gasket kit, responsible for sealing the intake manifold against the cylinder heads. If you have problems like engine misfire, coolant leaks, engine overheating, or decrease in power, acceleration, and fuel economy, you might need to replace your intake manifold gasket. Fit the following vehicles: intake manifold gasket set compatible with 4.8L 5.3L 6.0L 6.2L GM Vortec engine, including Chevy Silverado, Suburban, Tahoe, Trailblazer, Express, Colorado, Avalanche, GMC Sierra, Yukon, Savana, Canyon, Envoy, Cadillac Escalade, Buick Rainier, Hummer H2, H3, H3T, Isuzu Ascender, Saab 9-7X, model year 1999, 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014. Replace part numbers: replace GM 89060413, replace Felpro MS 98016T Mississippi, 92211 Mississippi, 18007 Ms 4657 Mississippi, 16340. Commonly found on Chevy Silverado, Suburban, Tahoe, Trailblazer, Express, Colorado, Avalanche, GMC Sierra, Yukon, Savana, Canyon, Envoy, Cadillac Escalade, Buick Rainier, Hummer H2, H3, H3T, Isuzu Ascender, Saab 9-7X with 4.85.36.0 V8 Vortec engine. OEM design direct fit, quality materials advanced technology used, meets or exceeds OEM standards. Even though this is not a genuine AC Delco for Felpro intake manifold gasket, but it works even better and lasts longer. Save yourself times and money by replacing intake manifold gaskets yourself. What you'll get: one set of intake manifold gaskets set 12 months warranty. If you have any problem with our intake manifold gasket, feel free to contact us, we will sort things out together. Top reviews from the United States. Yes, fantastic. I received them in a quick and timely manner, easy to install and fit my 01 G M C Sierra S L 2500 HD perfect.